Hello students, today will we discuss about the fun they had. ये एक साइंस फिक्शन स्टोरी है जो कि अमेरिकन राइटर आइजैक एसिमोव के द्वारा लिखी गई है. ओके, इट फर्स्ट अपीयर्ड इन अ चिल्ड्रंस न्यूज़पेपर इन 1951 and was reprinted in the February 1954 issues of the magazine of fantasy and science fiction. Earth is Room Enough 1957, 50 short science fiction tales 1960, and The West of Isaac Asimov 1973. It has been modified in a Finnish English book called Key English 89. Written as a personal favor for a friend, the fun they had became probably the biggest surprise of my literary career. Asimov wrote in 1973. He reported that it had been reprinted more than 30 times, with more being planned. It is about computerized homeschooling and what children miss out on by not being in school together. He surmised that the story is popular with children because the kids would get a bang out of the irony. इसकी हम समरी पढ़ते हैं. The fun they had summary in English. The story begins with two children named मार्गी एंड टॉमी. ये जो स्टोरी है दो बच्चों से स्टार्ट होती है, मार्गी और टॉमी. इट टेक प्लेस इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ द फ्यूचर वेयर कंप्यूटर्स डोमिनेट एवरीथिंग. Moreover, it also shows how the concept of school and classrooms has transformed completely. Okay. It is the year 2157 and Margie is written in her diary. मार्गी क्या है, वो अपनी डायरी में लिखती है अबाउट हाउ टॉमी फाउंड अ बुक, कि टॉमी किस तरीके से अपनी बुक को ढूंढता है. दिस बुक वॉज ऑफ टॉमीज ग्रैंडफादर व्हेन ही वॉज अ लिटिल किड. ये बुक जो है इसमें क्या है, टॉमी के जो ग्रैंडफादर होते हैं जब वो एक छोटे बच्चे थे. मार्गी लर्न्स अबाउट हाउ दे यूज टू प्रिंट ऑल द स्टोरीज ऑन पेपर बैक देन. This is a scientific essay full of fantasy. When in the 22nd century there would be no classroom. उस टाइम क्या होता था, क्लासरूम भी नहीं होते थे और टीचर्स, बट द होल वर्क विल बी परफॉर्म मैकेनिकल बाय कंप्यूटर्स. ये तो 20th सेंचुरी की बात है, 22nd सेंचुरी की. ओके. This has been presented through the dialogue between Tommy age 13, टॉमी की एज 13 है और मार्गी 11 की है. They are taught mechanically and are astonished to find an old book. वो क्या करते हैं, एक ओल्ड बुक को ढूंढते हैं. They imagine of past, वो इमेजिन करते हैं पास्ट का. When there were schools, तब वहाँ स्कूल्स होते थे, टीचर पढ़ाने आते थे. Same lesson to the all children, मतलब सेम लेसन, एक सा लेसन वो हर चिल्ड्रन को पढ़ाते थे. हु सेट एंड प्लेड टुगेदर इन द रूम नोन एज क्लास. वहाँ पर क्या होता, सब एक साथ बैठते थे, एक साथ खेलते थे और उस रूम को क्लास कहा जाता था. दे फील दैट दिस मैकेनिकल टीचिंग इज टायरसम एंड बोरिंग बिकॉज इट इज डल. फाइंडिंग एन ओल्ड बुक दे आर ओवरजॉयड. नाउ द ह्यूमन एलिमेंट इज completely missing from education and his mechanical teacher has been giving them test after test. The geography sector was slowed down to the 10-year level. Tommy told her that in olden days को बताते हैं, teacher did not live in the house of children, rather they had a particular building and children went there to learn daily. इसमें क्या होता था, एक पर्टिकुलर बिल्डिंग होती थी जिसमें बच्चे पढ़ने के लिए या सीखने के लिए जाते थे. शी बिगेन टू ड्रीम ऑफ दोज एंशिएंट स्कूल्स when children enjoyed and laughed together and returned home together, talk about their homework and helping each other in their studies. क्या होता था, जो प्राचीन स्कूल्स होते थे वहाँ बच्चे एंजॉय करते थे, साथ में लाफिंग करते थे और साथ साथ वो घर वापस जाते थे होमवर्क के बारे में बात करते हुए और एक दूसरे की पढ़ाई में मदद किया करते थे. Further, they read the book themselves and find the feeling of turning pages over rather funny. It was funny because they were not in the habit of reading still words, only once in motion, that too on a screen. We learned that in the future there are no book, only telebooks. They stored them in TV sets and computers. After that, it takes an interesting turn when they discuss school. Margie learned that schools were very different back then. They had actual persons who were teachers. It is surprising because she has only robot which teaches her. Moreover, she does not like school because of a lot of reasons. The school she studies does not have any classmates. In fact, it does not even have pre-case or playground. क्या है वहाँ पर क्लासमेट नहीं होते थे और प्लेग्राउंड भी नहीं थे, खेलने के लिए नहीं होते हैं. Margie and Tommy study in a virtual classroom. They have robots as teacher. वो किससे पढ़ते हैं? एक रोबोट जो कि टीचर के समान उनको टीच करते हैं. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली हर स्कूल इज नेक्स्ट टू हर बेडरूम ओनली. इट इज़ अ रूम फुल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से भरा हुआ है, रूम रोबोट से भरा हुआ है, गैजेट से भरा हुआ है. द कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर टीच हर एवरीथिंग. और जो कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर है वही हर चीज़ पढ़ाते हैं, सिखाते हैं. When Margie attends her school, after learning about the earlier ones, she starts wondering. When she starts studying, she cannot help but think about the earlier days. वो जब भी पढ़ाई स्टार्ट करती है, वो कोई भी उसकी मदद करने के लिए नहीं होता, ना वो किसी की मदद कर सकती है, लेकिन वो अर्लियर डेज के बारे में सोचती है. Margie wonders about the fun her grandparents would indulge in. She imagined kids from different neighborhoods coming together merely to attend schools. Moreover, the fact that they were taught the same thing amused her. It was because everyone would help each other out with the homework. Thus, in the end, she is left wondering about the fun they had. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn it better if they learn at regular hours. The screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing, shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom. मतलब वो ग्रैंडफादर के अपने दिनों के ग्रैंडफादर जो थे छोटे थे तब के दिनों को उस डायरी में उस बुक में पढ़ती हैं और उसमें याद करते हैं कि क्या होता था. सारे बच्चे एक साथ खेलते थे, सारे पड़ोसी आते थे, लाफिंग करते थे, शाउटिंग करते थे, स्कूल यार सिटिंग टुगेदर, एक दूसरे के साथ स्कूल रूम में बैठा करते थे, गोइंग होम टुगेदर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, और सब लास्ट वाले दिन एक दूसरे के घर जाया करते थे. द लर्न द सेम थिंग्स सो दे कुड हेल्प वन अनदर ऑन द होमवर्क एंड टॉक अबाउट इट, और एक दूसरे के होमवर्क में भी हेल्प किया करते थे. एंड द टीचर्स वर पीपल. द मैकेनिकल टीचर वॉज फ्लैशिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन. जो मैकेनिकल टीचर हैं वो केवल फ्लैशिंग है स्क्रीन पर. व्हेन वी हैव टू फ्रैक्शंस 1/2 and 1/4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in those days. She was thinking about the fun they had. दे इमेजिन द पास्ट व्हेन देयर वर स्कूल्स में टीचर जो होते थे पढ़ाने आते थे सेम लेसन ऑल द चिल्ड्रन हु सैट एंड प्लेड टुगेदर इन द रूम नोन एज क्लास दे फील दैट दिस मैकेनिकल टीचिंग इज टायरसम एंड बोरिंग। वो कहते हैं जो मैकेनिकल टीचिंग होती है वो टायरसम होती है और बोरिंग होती है बिकॉज इट इज़ dull. Finding an old book, they are overjoyed. Now the human elements is completely missing from education and his mechanical teacher has been giving them test after test. Geography sector was slowed down to the 10-year level. Tommy told her that in olden days, teacher did not live in the house of children, rather they had a particular building and children went there to learn daily. She began to dream of those ancient schools when children enjoyed and laughed together and returned home together to talk about their homework and helping each other in their studies. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away from nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Tommy looked at her with a very superior eyes because it is not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.